2, 3, go! Let's start here. Okay, teacher. Welcome back to American Textbook Reading. We're coming to Science 3, Lesson 3, Growth and Change. Now, let's start here. You will discover how animals and plants grow and change. Yeah, because today we're going to be learning about growth. Growth is growing. And change is changing, okay? And we also learn about what life cycles are. What is life cycles? Well, it's like a bicycle, but it's not. Let's go. Now, germinate. To start growing, it was beginning to growing. Oh yeah. When we put it in the seed in the soil with water and it absorbs sunlight, it starts growing. Yeah, that was how it germinated. It germinated here, here, and here. Okay? This is germinate. Here, I have a video of that. It grows so fast. Wow! That was amazing. Whoa! It's taken a long time to make this video. They just only put it together and make a fast move. It's taken 1 year to make this video. Or even 10 months to grow that. That's a long time. Because, well, the plant grows a lot longer. I want a tomato plant, but very later. Okay, mature. To become fully grown. My mom has matured when she was 20 years old. My mom started to mature when she was maybe 20 years old. 19 to 20 years old. Then now she was an adult, 32. I know, 33. Okay, that was mature to become fully grown. Mature in nature is an adjective, but mature is a noun, okay, not a verb. Okay, this is a mature tree, a mature tomato plant. Yeah, that was a mature tomato plant because it was becoming fully grown. Okay, let's come to the next one. Here. Maybe I have a video of that, but really I don't. A parent, a father, or a mother of an animal. What is a parent? Your father and your mother. Here, hey, have you ever heard a parent of a tree? I know how it's mean. Here, like this. This is a mother sunflower, and she put some seed and on her top, and then she grow her young. Okay, they're very young. That's how it's mean. Yeah, then even an animal, and there was an elephant have even 50. A baby elephant have one mother and 50 ants. Did you know an ant? Aunt and uncle. 50 ants. What? 50 elephants ant. Okay? A fully grown animal or plant. Yeah, this is a fully grown tree. That means it was an adult tree. You are adult too. Because you are fully grown. I'm not adult. I am a child. Young, the baby of an animal. Hey, this word's strange. Young means we are not old and become an adult. But this word means the baby of an animal. So that was the young of an animal. For example, this is the young of these parents. The mother have a baby here. This baby will start growing. That means germinate. I have showed you that word before. That was the young of something. And animal, the young of a tree, the young of a person, of people. Like when I was small and I was a baby, I am a young, a baby of an animal. Okay, like for example, that was the young of the puppies, the young of the tree, the young of the people. That was how it's made. Wow, this baby is cootie. Good. It was cute. Do you like this Barbie? Okay, not Barbie, but babies. Okay, now let's come to the next one. Here. Let's come. That was how a young made. A young stage. One part of a process. Mom, this is what I will explain it to you. Here. This is not right. Okay? Here. How can a seed maybe they turn into an adult? What? A baby seed turn into an adult? No. That were different steps for the seed to grow. Right? That were different steps for the seed to grow. Not only they 1, 2, 3 turn into an apple. What? That was funny. How could it be like that? That was a part of a process. Okay? First start to a baby, a child. Here, a step of a person. A baby, then they go into another stage. A child. They change into a child. Then they grow up and they grow into a teenager. Not teenager, but teenager. You will turn to a teenager. That means 13 to 19. As you see this word 13 and 19, it has the word teen. So they are called a teenager. Then it grows into an adult baby, then child, a teenager, then an adult. That was funny. The different stuff. The baby seed didn't 1, 2, 3 turn into an adult. What? That were different steps to grow. Okay? They have different steps to grow. They didn't 1, 2, 3 turn into an adult. How? They turn very fast. There's only a female. Did you know what is a female? A female is a mother, and a male is a dad. Okay? Female belongs to the sex that can produce a baby or an egg. Yeah, I know the secret of a mammal. Well, in the mammal, they have make an egg in their body. Then that egg grow into a baby, and the baby gets out. Not that something will then turn into a baby. No, they have the cells are called the egg of the baby. Okay, how do you know? Now give birth. Mom, this one is very funny. Mom, here, look. Give birth for a female animal to produce a baby from her body. For her body. Here. This female has reproduced a baby. Okay? For female animal to produce a baby from her body. Okay, that's how they mean. Let's come to the second one. Okay, that was give birth for a female animal to produce a baby from her body. Okay, that was produce a baby from her body. Let's come to the second one. Okay, here. A tadpole, a small creature. Did you know a tadpole? Do you know what it is? You can say it in the video. What is that? You can say nothing. It was a means change into a frog or toad. Okay, that means it develops. It develops into a frog or a toad. Yay, I have to learn in Korean. Okay, that was the what? Okay, develops into a frog or a toad. Here, Mom, I have a video of a tadpole. Wow, it's small. Like wow, a tadpole is the size of a tadpole is it was just only big as a thumb. It was just only long from this to this. Oh my God, why so small and short? Here, how they moving? Can you see their tails moving in here? I mean, they're swimming. like my leg is a tail. That was funny. Disappear to become impossible to see. Like, did you know disappear to become impossible to see? Like this. This is the frog. It has a long tail. But now, a few months later, hey, where did the tail go? That's what it's called. The frog has disappeared. Its tail. The tail gets shorter and shorter. And it become a frog come to land. Ooh! Hop, 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 hop. A frog. That was disappeared. Firstly, it has a long tail. Hey, where did the tail go? Oh my God, it just disappeared. What is disappear? It was to become impossible to see. Here, I have a life cycle plants and a life cycle of a frog. Here, a life cycle of a frog. Now, here, this is a frog. Firstly, we're talking about the life cycle of a frog. A life cycle of a plant first. Okay, first it was a seed. A small, tiny seed. Hey, did you know that the seed is just only big half of a thumb? It's just only some big as half. That means, okay, it was half as a thumb. Can you see? It's very small. Yeah, some people said one ant can carry a big seed. Hey, but it can never carry a super big seed like a seed in, do you know, an avocado? Yes, it was have a very big seed. Maybe it's taken 9 ants to carry it. Oh, why it's so heavy? What? Why is it so heavy? Oh my God, why is it so big? Did you know that a seed, an avocado seed, is big from this to this wall? Sometimes the biggest avocado have the biggest seed. It was big as a hand. Or the biggest seed or the biggest avocado is big like this chair. Yes, the biggest fruit. Some watermelon said that the biggest watermelon in the world was big like a truck. The biggest watermelon. How can it grow so big? Have you ever seen a watermelon like that? No. Maybe some scientists put some medicine on the watermelon and then big. That is funny. Okay, then did you know what it turns? It turns into a seedling. Then it sprouts. Then it's turned into a plant. And then a big tree. I know what is the biggest tree and the tallest tree. Well, I just only know the tallest tree is called the redwood tree. That means the wood of that tree is red. Maybe that tree's tall at 1,828 meters. It's tall like that. Wow, how could it be like that? That is funny, but not big, not tall like a Mount Everest. 8,848 meters. I know the size of that. Now, how does a butterfly grow and change? Did you know that a butterfly egg is small as a nail on a hand? This is the nail. Okay, a nail in here. It's small like a nail. It's tiny. It's even smaller than an ant. Maybe that was the smallest egg in the world. Okay, smallest egg. Then it's turned into a caterpillar. A caterpillar have maybe 10. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 legs. Wow, that was a lot of legs, right? Okay, then it turned to a pupa. How can it turn to a pupa? Where does it get that shell? Because it used a silky thing from their body, and they have wrapped the silky thing around their body, became a pupa. Then it was growing in the pupa for 4 months. Okay? Do you know that Did you know that a mosquito just can only live for 24 hours? A mosquito can just only live for 24 hours. It's dying. How can a mosquito die so fast? And an adult butterfly can only live for 4 months. Okay? But it can travel a lot of kilometers. It can travel like this. It can travel from like America, from Europe to what? To South Africa. Okay? From Europe to South Africa. It's take maybe a lot of kilometers, thousands and thousands of kilometers. How can a butterfly travels to that? And did you know? Okay, wait for me and this second. Okay, did you know that a butterfly smell? Well, a butterfly can smell 300 kilometers. What? It can smell 300 kilometers? Maybe it was the biggest snow. No. The biggest snow in the world, maybe big as the chair. But the nose of the... But did you know that a butterfly didn't have a nose? So how can it smell so far? Because it has an antennae. That means the thing on their head. It's how it smells. Wow, it smells 300 kilometers. Some people surprised that they even some people like that. Oh, why mouth so fun? Okay, now let's come to the reading section. Okay, did you know how many wings that a butterfly have? What? Yes. Okay, that was right. This butterfly. Did you know how many eggs does a butterfly lays? Okay, did you know? 1,000 eggs. Yes. How can it lay? And a mosquito lays 5 million eggs. A mosquito lays 5 million eggs. Okay? What? 5 million eggs? Oh my God! And did you know? That a turkey? Did you know how many? Oh, not that. Oh yeah, a turkey. Did you know how many? Did you know a turkey? How many eggs did it lays? And did you know how many eggs does a turkey lays? 1. Okay. I didn't know that. 1. Okay. Now let's come to this. Plants usually reproduce through seeds and grow in stages. First, a seed germinates and begins to grow. Roots come out of the seed. Then stem grows up of the ground. This is the leaf. And the leaf absorbs the sunlight. It absorbs the sunlight and it's grow until an adult like my dad. Okay? You know that there are lots of things to learn about. Okay? I love science to learn the most. Now, next, the stems grows leaves. It now looks like its parent. As the plant grows, it matures and becomes an adult. Okay? An adult plant. By contrast, animals reproduce in several ways. Okay? By contrast. That means, okay? Like this. Mom, on the other hand, this is a plant and this is a female animals. Okay, female mammals. Now, okay, plant and female mammals. Now let's come to this. By contrast, animals reproduce in several ways. Female mammals give birth to their young. The young look like their parents. The young grow and grow. They mature and become an adult. Human, cats, and dogs are mammals. Okay, do you know? Okay. Now, frogs are amphibians. Their young are called, okay? They are amphibians. Amphibians, that was a big word. Amphibian. Their young are called tadpoles. Okay? They come out of an egg. They have a tail, but do not have legs. A tadpole just swim. Mom, a tadpole just... Mom, I showed you this one. A tadpole didn't have legs and it swam. Oh, its tail. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. It didn't have to, but it's moved by that one. It's made by skills. Okay, they come out of an egg. They have a tail, but do not lay egg. Mom, I showed you this one. Here, there was a frog. Okay, it can live even on water and land. But wait. A frog lived underwater. It didn't have gills. So how can it live underwater? What? How can it live underwater? That was so funny. Maybe it was an amazing video. Have you seen a big lizard? That big lizard was maybe 100 centimeters. Oh, no. Maybe 500 centimeters. Okay? It's come. Okay? They're young little tadpoles. They come out of an egg. They have a tail, As they mature, they grow legs and the tail disappear. As an adult, they look like their parents. Yeah. They grow, and they mature, they grow legs and their tails disappear. As an adult, they look like their parents. Okay? Yeah, they look like their parents when they mature. As they mature, they grow legs and the tail disappears. As an adult, they look like their parents. Okay, let's come to the next one. That one, we taught plants, animals, and amphibians. Amphibians is, now let's come to the final part, the last part of this video. Okay. Now let's first. Plants grow in what? Did you know plants grow in what? Yeah, now let's start. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Now, plants grow in what? Did you know where did a plant grow? Grow. It's grow what? It's grow on the ground. Yeah, it's grow in the soil. A soil. Now let's grow a soil. A seed begins to first. This one's hard. Well, maybe let's come to the next one. Okay, it was. Plants grow in a soil. In soils. Now let's come to the next one. Yes, it was the thing I see. Plants grow in soil. In soil. Okay? Can they grow in the rocks? Can they grow in the rocks? Okay? Yes, they can grow in rocks. Did you know that was okay? Did you know that there was a plant called a stone plant? A stone plant acts like it was a stone. It acts like a stone, so animals don't eat it. And they also think other stones, well, other stone plants are stone. Yeah, and they go away and hunt other plants. Okay, plants grow in the ground. A seed begins to. What does that happen? Okay, a seed begins to first. It begins to first. Did you know what is first begins? Maybe that was germinate. No, first. Oh yes, germinate. Germinate in the ground. Now let's come to the next one. Okay? Roots come out of the seed. And then stems grow up out of the ground. Yeah, I'll show you. Roots come out of the seed. And the stem grows up out of the ground. Yeah, the stem grows up out of the ground. Are you amazed that? Here, are you amazed? What is that towering thing come up from my seed? What is that? And the other friend said, it was a stem. Okay? The stem grows up out of the ground. The stems then grow leaves. Then later, it becomes an
adult plant.
How did you know that? Adult plant, like you are adult. When I grow up, I will become an adult. Do you know what I want when I grow up? Maybe. Well, I'll tell you later, okay? Wow, really, adult plants. How did you know? Female mammals. What do female mammals do to their young? grows. Yeah, the baby come out. What is that called?
Give.
Give what? You said give. So that means you said give birth. You are correct. Give birth.
Yes.
Okay? Now let's come to this. To the young. Their young look like their parents. They begin to grow. Germinates. It germinates in the young what and become an adult. That word means it's fully grown. What is that? M-A-T-U-R-E. What can you say? M-A-T-U-R-E. What is that? Do you know how to read that word? Do you know? It was called matures. Matures. Okay? Let's come to the next one. Okay, the young look like their parents. They begin to grow. The young matures. And it's become an adult. And matures. And like this. This is my plant. Okay, can you show it? Here. This is my plant. And it has matures. That means it was as adult, it was fully grown. Okay, come back to here. Okay. It was mature and become an adult. So now today we'll learn about growth and change. Are you growing? Are you changing? You can't see you're growing. It's take a lot of years for you to grow. Okay, 1 year you have become one age. Another year, one age. Then the last year, the adult. Adult. Maybe that was right. Hey, that was mature and become an adult. Okay, you have know that it was the growth and change. So you have to answer these questions. What do birds lay? What does the... Okay, now that's the end of my video and bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.